Yes, good morning to all my dear students. Today we are going to do our next application of Pascal's law, that is the article number 4.11, page number 88, hydraulic brakes. Now the topic name is hydraulic brake. Now the meaning of hydra, that is the meaning of hydraulic, is in these type of brakes we are using liquid. The liquid is maybe of water or another liquid, that is the oil we can also use. Okay, now we are going to do its construction as well its working. Okay, now firstly, what is hydraulic brakes and why we need it? Now brakes are usually used to stop the vehicles. It means the brakes can decrease the speed of the vehicles, and hydraulic brakes are based on the principle of Pascal's law, and these brakes use the liquid to stop the vehicle. Okay, now its construction is this one. Now its construction is like this. It consists of a simple pipe. This one is a simple pipe, okay, in which this outlet is for another wheels. If the vehicle is of two-wheeler, then we use it to the second wheel. If the four-wheeler, it means these pipe is going to the three other wheels. It means this one is only showing diagram only one wheel, okay, one wheel, and this pipe is again attached for one end attached with the wheel, and the second end is attached to the master cylinder. This one is called the master cylinder, and with the master cylinder here is one piston. Piston mean this piston can move here in this direction and outward direction also. आगे पीछे this piston can move, and this piston is attached to the brake pedal. It mean we have to apply the brake on this. Our foot is here, ठीक है, we apply force on the foot pedal, and with the help of this lever. Why this one is folded? This one is called the lever. Why this one is folded? ऐसे fold क्यों हुआ? Simple brake क्यों नहीं apply कर दी? Because if I apply the small amount of force on this brake pedal, then this lever increase the force. That's why the force can be increased with the help of this lever. The force can be increased with this lever. That's why हमने इनको fold किया है. Okay, and the second end of the pipe is attached with the wheel. Inside the wheel there one is again brake cylinder. Okay, this diagram is little bit wrong. In this diagram, this size of the master cylinder is little bit less than that of the brake cylinder. Okay, brake cylinder size is less than that of the master cylinder, as that of the hydraulic press we have done. Okay, this one you can see here, the pump tube having smaller area than that of the press tube, same as that in this diagram. The size of the master cylinder must be less than that of the brake cylinder. Now with the help in this brake cylinder, again there are two pistons. Piston this one and this one, name it as P1, and this one is P2, and this one is a piston P. Okay, P1 and P2 piston. These pistons are inside the wheel, and these pistons are attached with the brake shoe and then brake lining, and here is a one spring, and this spring is used for the restoring force. Okay, now this one is about its construction. Okay, it means कि if there are four wheels, then this outlet second to the third wheel, three wheels. Okay, and if the two wheels are there, then this one is to the second wheel. Okay, and this diagram only for one wheel, only working of one wheel. Now next one is of working. Now what about working? Now when I apply the small amount of force on the brake pedal, then with the help of this brake lever the force increases, and then this piston moves inside. Then the liquid inside this master cylinder moves with the greater force inside the pipes. It means the liquid or oil inside the master cylinder moves into the brake cylinder. Now according to Pascal's law, the pressure transmitted undiminished. Okay, it means if I apply 30 Pascal pressure, then 30 Pascal pressure passes to the brake cylinder. Then with the help of this brake cylinder, with the help of this pressure, these two piston P1 and P2, that is open up. It mean open up, it mean, and with these piston, what is there? Wheel rim is there, brake shoe is there. It mean the brake shoe is attached with the wheel rim or the wheel lining, and then the speed of the vehicle, that is the speed of a vehicle, is retards. It means when we apply force on the brake master cylinder, then this force, this pressure transmitted to the brake cylinder, and the piston moves outward and then attached with the brake lining or brake shoe, and the speed retards. Okay, it means the vehicle is stop. Now what happen when I just release the force from the foot pedal? When I release the foot from this pedal, the liquid in the brake cylinder moves back into the master cylinder, and this spring helps the wheel to again regain its path, because आपको पता है कि spring can change its, ठीक है, change its shape. It means restoring force is there when the wheel rim or brake shoe are attached to the wheel rim. Okay, this one is about working. You can see this diagram. This diagram is more accurate than this. ठीक है, you can see here is a piston P1 P2 that are attached with the lining. ठीक है, this one is a master cylinder. You can see the size is very less than, small amount of force is applied, then large amount of pressure is transmitted to this ठीक है ब्रेक सिलेंडर. द पिस्टन जो B1 B2 है, पिस्टन ऐसे मूव करते हैं. ठीक है, इट मीन ब्रेक लाइनिंग जो ऐसे अटैच हो जाती है ब्रेक लाइनिंग से, रिम ऑफ द व्हील से, जिसकी वजह से जो स्पीड है दैट वन इज रिटार्डेड. ओके, दिस वन इज ऑल अबाउट